Alright, so here we go with the update for this week. As always, I'm going to give you a little summary, and then I'm going to talk more in depth of every single thing I learned in each chapter. So to start off this week with the summary, okay, for the summary, we have 2 chapters this week. First one was a case study, and the second one was on files. Now, that's kind of it for the summary. Case study basically means that we kind of worked on a project looking at all the old chapters and putting them together. This time it was on data structures, so that was chapter 13. Chapter 14 was on files. It was on opening and closing files, how to create databases, how to import different modules that you need to work with, or even make your own module, which was kind of exciting. I mean, we already learned that a module is a collection of functions that are all related. We just never knew how to write them, so now we know. There was one part actually that I didn't understand, and that was the use of __main __. I need to go back and learn more about that, because even after reading chapter 14 and rereading that section, I still don't understand what it does, but I see it all the time. So I think I'm going to go watch a video on that on YouTube. If not, just look it up on a website. I find that using websites, I can read 1 or 2 websites and get the general idea for something way better than I can from watching one 5-minute video. That's just me. But then again, that is why I'm learning from books and not courses on, EDX, Udemy, Coursera, and things like that. I'm trying to remember to see what else there is to talk about. The case study was very interesting in the sense that it brought up some things that I kind of forgot about, like the use of bisectional search. I had learned that in a previous chapter, but as it turns out, I completely forgot how to use it. I know how it works, and I tried to rewrite it, but I was missing something, and that just shows that I still need more repetition even after I learn something. So I'm thinking by the time I finish the book, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna answer all the questions again, see if that will work. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it by bouncing. That's called like interleaving. I've talked about that before in a video. Or whether to go in a row. I think going in a row might be better in this case, due to the fact that some chapters build off of other chapters. So if I go bouncing, it might get really confusing. But we'll see. I'm not there yet. I'm on chapter 14 out of I think 19, so I'm more than halfway done with the book, which is really exciting. And yeah, that's it. So let me know what you think.